Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 30 April 2018, 20th hour, 24 of minute and 50 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what makes the sound of a fart? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what makes the sound of a fart. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about what makes the sound of a fart. Some don't make any noise at all. It all depends on how much gas you have in your intestines and on the muscles around the anus, the opening in your butt. Farts happen when your body lets out gases. It also depends on how tight the sphincter muscles are. Last update June 22, 2016. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.